Happy morning, my dear students. No. My little scientists. How are you all? I know you all are happy, healthy, fit, and good, and enjoying your summer vacations at home. No. How can I forget? No, you're not enjoying summer vacations. You're enjoying your summer camp with your teachers. Am I right? Yes. So you all are enjoying and having fun with your teachers this time in this summer camp. So I hope you all are enjoying your fun activities like art and craft, dancing, yes, karate, and cooking without fire. I know you all are going to make some recipes that you are going to learn from your teachers, and definitely you are going to impress your parents and your relatives. So, can I also come and join you? Yes? Yes. So, dear students, this is Kuldeep Kaur, your own science teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua, with some science fun experiments this time. So, are you ready to do some fun with science this time? Yes or no? Yes, that's great. So, dear students, now we are going to have some fun with science during this summer camp. I hope you all are ready. So, are you ready? Yes. So, we all are ready to enjoy and explore something new this time. So, for that, dear students, first of all, let's know what is science. So, science is the knowledge about the natural world that is based on the facts learned through experiments and observations. Now, you might be thinking, where is science? So, dear students, science is everywhere. Science is when life starts, when you practice yoga, when you go out to play. Science is while you cook. Science is when you work as a team. Science is when you produce sound. Science is when you work for your community. Science is when you dance. So, dear students, you all are enjoying fun activities in this summer camp with your teachers. And you know, there is also a science behind all these activities. Like you are doing fun with art and craft. So there is a science behind it. You are dancing, you are practicing karate, you are practicing yoga, and you are also learning cooking without fire from your teachers. So dear students, there is also a science behind all these activities. Science is when you travel from one place to another. So dear students, science is everywhere. Okay, so science is fun because science improves our lives. So let's have some fun with some science experiments. I hope you all are ready to do some fun experiments. Yes, so let's start. Dear students, I hope you all are ready to have some fun with some simple science experiments. So, are you ready? Yes, but you know, dear students, there are some safety rules that we should follow while performing any experiment. So, do you want to know these safety rules? Yes. So, let's know about these safety rules that we should follow while performing any experiment. So, the first rule is be respectful follow your teacher's guidance and don't take shortcuts. The rule number 2 is work quietly. Know what you are doing by reading the assigned experiment before you start working. Number 3, do not taste or smell any chemical. Next rule is do not lift any solution and glass apparatus above your eyes. Next rule is follow all the instructions given by your teachers. Last but not the least, do all experiments under the supervision of your elders. So I hope now you all know about these rules and you all are ready for the experiment. So let's do an experiment. Dear students, I hope now you all are ready to have some fun with simple science experiments. Science is very tasty. Now what are you thinking? I hope you are thinking that why and how this science is so tasty. Yes, dear students, science is very tasty. As I told you in the beginning, that science is everywhere. It is in the kitchen. Whatever we are cooking and whatever we are making, there is science behind it. So today we are going to do an experiment with some simple ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen. Dear students, you all know how to make a laminate. So it's a simple recipe and you all are enjoying this laminate during the summer season. But today we are going to make a laminate with some twist. That is fizzy laminate. We are going to make a fizzy laminate, dear students. And you know, in this simple science experiment, we add a base with an acid to form a chemical reaction. And in this chemical reaction, what happens? It produces a carbon dioxide that form bubbles in the drink. Most of the time you might have observed these bubbles in your commercial drinks like Coca-Cola, Sprite, Dew and Limca. So let's have some fun and make a simple fizzy laminate today. Dear students, I hope you all are ready to have some fun with this simple science experiment today. So are you ready to make this fizzy laminate? Yes, and I'm so excited to make this laminate. So dear students, we need some simple ingredients from our kitchen to make this fizzy laminate. So dear students, quickly collect all these materials so that we can make our laminate. Not laminate, fizzy laminate. So all you need is 1 or 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate means baking soda. You need a glass of cold water, 1 or 2 tablespoon of sugar to taste. You also need a squeezer, lemon squeezer. You need 1 empty glass, 1 spoon and 1 measuring spoon. Hello my little scientists. I hope you all are ready to do the experiment. Are you ready? Yes. So you all are ready and excited to make a fizzy laminate. I hope you all have collected the things that I told you. Yes or no? Yes. So what do you need? You need 1 or 2 lemons. You need a glass of cold water. You need an empty glass. What thing you require? You need a baking soda, Sugar is for taste, it's option. If you want, then you can take it. Otherwise, it's your choice. You need a lemon squeezer, you need a spoon to stir it, and a measuring spoon. You need a knife. But dear students, you are very small. You are not supposed to use a knife. For that, I told you one rule in the beginning, that you have to perform all the experiments under the supervision of your elders or of your mothers. So I hope you all are sitting with your elders. Can I see some of the elders? Yes, very good. That's wonderful. So dear students, let's start the experiment. So what you all need to do? You need to cut this lemon into 2 equal parts, and after that you need to put this lemon in the squeezer and take the juice out of this lemon. Then put the another one part of the lemon and you can take the juice like this. Now see, your lemon juice is ready. So this is the lemon juice. Now let's start the activity. As I told, we are going to mix acid plus base. And when we mix acid and base, a chemical reaction is formed. Okay, so what we have done? So we have this lemon. You know what is lemon? Lemon is acid or base? Lemon is acid because it is sour in taste. So all the things that are taste sour are the acids. And this is baking soda. Okay, so now let's start and make a fizzy lemonade. So what you all need to do is, dear students, put some water in the glass. Okay, half of the glass you can fill with the water, and then you can put this lemon juice in the glass. Now mix it well. Mix it well. Now dear students, sugar is optional. I like sugar, so I want to make my lemonade little sweet. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this sugar. Now mix it well with this lemon. Can I taste it? Let me see. Wow, it tastes so good. Now, dear students, let's see what happened when we are going to mix this base into this glass of water. So what we are going to do? Now we are going to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda in this drink. Stir it well. Oh, just see, this is the fizzy lemonade. So see, I can hear. Yes, I can hear the sound of the bubbles, and see how the bubbles come out of the drink. So this is fizzy lemonade. So what happened, dear students? When you add the acid and the base, a chemical reaction, we get a chemical reaction. And what happened? Carbon dioxide gas is produced. Most of the time you can see in your commercial drinks like Coca-Cola, like Limca, you will find this carbon dioxide gas and makes the lemonade fizzy, make the bubbles in the lemonade. I hope you all liked it and you all enjoyed. So dear students, try to make this fizzy lemonade. And after that, dear students, when you make this fizzy lemonade, you can make a small video clip of your experiment and you can send it to me. Even you can click the beautiful pictures of your lemonade. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye-bye. Welcome my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying today's science fun activities. Are you enjoying? Yes or no? Yes. So today we are having some fun with lemons. So let's do more fun with the lemons. And let's do one more activity by using these lemons. So, do you want to do one more activity with the lemon? Yes or no? Yes. So, dear students, in this activity, we are going to change the color from the original to the secondary color, and again we are going to change that color back into the same color that we have made in the beginning. So dear students, for this you need all the materials that are easily available in your home. So what are these materials? Look at the things that you require. So number one, you need a washing powder. It's a washing powder, beta. You can take any washing powder, whatever you are using in the house. I'm taking this Ghadi detergent powder. You need some lemons. See dear students, I have some lemons here. So you need some lemons for this same activity. As I already told you that we are going to have some fun with lemons only. You need a glass of water. So dear students, you can take any water. If you want to take RO water, you can take that one. If you want to take the simple tap water, you can take the simple tap water. If you want to take the water from the fridge, the cold water, you can use that also. So you need simple glass of water. Dear students, and you need a turmeric powder. This turmeric you might have seen. Dear students, this turmeric powder your mama is using in the kitchen. It is a spice to give the color to the food. So it makes the food look very good in color. So it gives color to the food. So you need that same turmeric powder. Then dear students, you need a glass. In this glass I have already taken out some juice, lemon juice, that I am going to take out from these lemons. Then you need a ball, empty ball. Then of course you need a squeezer to take out the juice from the lemons. You need knife to cut the lemons. But dear students, just keep in mind, whenever you are doing any activity, your elder should be there with you. You will sit with your elders or with your moms. You are not going to use knife. Then you need spoons to mix the mixture. You need to mix the water and the ingredients. Now let's start. I hope everybody has collected the material. Yes or no? Yes. So let's start with the experiment. So your first step is, what you have to do, you need to take this glass of water and pour this water in the ball. Now dear students, you need to put some turmeric powder in the water and you can mix it well. So dear student, you can see when you mix it nicely, it will give you yellow color. See dear student, turmeric is having its own yellow color. It is, see, the yellow color of the turmeric. So you can see the yellow color. So the water that earlier was white in color, it changes into yellow color now because we have added the turmeric. Now after mixing, stirring it well or mixing it well, what you need to do now, see what we need to do. Now we are going to change this yellow color, the base color, to the another color. So what you need to do is take a tablespoon of detergent powder. So I'm going to add this detergent powder and see the magic, beta. This is what we are going to do magic today. See the magic? See the magic? As I'm going to mix this color changes from yellow to red. Yes or no? Yes dear student, this is only the magic that we are going to do today. See, we have changed the yellow color into the red color while mixing only one simple ingredient, that is washing powder. So see, detergent powder, when you put the detergent powder in the turmeric powder, what happened? The color of the liquid changes. Now it changes from yellow to red. Now dear students, can I do one magic? Now can you change this red color again into the yellow color? Now see dear students, you have already mixed the yellow color. You have made the yellow color, and after that you mix detergent powder and you change the color. It is changed into red color. Now can you change back into yellow color? Any child can tell. Can you change this red color into yellow again? No. But I can do. I have a magic. You know dear students, I can do this magic and I can change this red color into yellow color. Do you want to see how? Or you also want to do the magic? So let's do all this magic together. So for that, what you need to do is, dear students, you need a lemon. You cut this lemon into 2 parts and take out the juice. So you can squeeze this lemon, take out the juice from this lemon in this glass. So I have, see, this is the lemon juice. I'm going to take out from the other part of the lemon also. So you can do this. See, now my lemon juice is ready, and now it's the time to do the magic. So see the magic beta. Once you put this lemon juice in this water, you can see the magic. Yes, what is the magic? This solution again changes into yellow color. Yes or no? Yes, see, it's again changing into the yellow color. So this is the magic of these lemons. So today we have done a lot of fun with these lemons. So you can put the lemon into the water and you will find out the yellow color back again. I hope dear students, you all enjoyed this activity and you will also do this magic back at home. So dear students, click a good photograph of your activity, or you can make a small video clip and send it to me. I will definitely going to enjoy while you are doing these fun-filled activities. Hello my little scientists. I hope you all enjoyed the fizzy lemonade. Yes or no? Yes. So let's have fun with lemons again. So do you want to have one more experiment with these lemons? Yes or no? Yes, that's great. So dear students, let's do one more small experiment with the lemons, and let's make a lemon volcanoes. And these lemon volcanoes also you can make with the simple ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. So what you all need is, you need 1 or 2 lemons, an ice cream stick. You need some watercolors so that you can make your volcanoes colorful, and of course baking soda. So dear students, in this experiment you are also going to learn a chemical reaction when we add or when we mix lemon juice or citric acid with the base baking soda. Chemical reaction take place, means carbon dioxide produced, which causes the liquid to fizz and form bubbles. So let's start. My dear little scientists, I hope you all enjoyed the fizzy lemonade. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, let's have some fun with the lemons again. So we are going to make a lemon volcano. I hope you all will enjoy and you are all excited to know about lemon volcano. Yes or no? Yes. For that you need lemons. You need a ice cream stick. You need some lemon juice. You need a baking soda and some colors. So dear students, for this experiment, what you all need to do is, you need to cut these lemons. See, I have cut these lemons and I squeeze these lemons and I take it out the lemon juice in this glass. So you can squeeze some of the lemons, take out the lemon juice and keep it aside. Now see, you can see here, dear students, take out the seeds from these lemons and you can keep the lemons like this. Now, for making this lemon volcano, what you need to do is, with this ice cream stick, you can do like this. You can make some space in between the lemons like this. Like this. See? You can make the holes. You can make some space in between these lemons like this, because I have already taken out some juice from these lemons. Now you can keep these lemons and you can put some baking soda. Now you can put some baking soda on these lemons. Like this, put some baking soda on all the lemons like this. And after that, with the help of this, let me put nicely, yes. Now let me put some here in this lemon, also. Now dear students, what you can do is, once you put the baking soda on these lemons, now with the help of this ice cream stick, you can put this baking soda in the lemon like this. Yes, like this, to each and every lemon. And to make it colorful, what you people can do, you can put some color with this, with the help of this ice cream stick only. So you can, I'm using this color from here. So I'm going to put some green color. Then I'm going to put some, I'm going to make the colorful, lemon volcano. Now I'm going to put some blue color also. So you can put as many as colors you can, or you can put only one. Okay, here you can put blue, and I'm going to put somewhere the red color. You can put some red color also. You can put some yellow color also, like this. And you can, yes, now see the magic. Now I have put some colors in it, and now I'm going to put some lemon juice in it, and see what happens. See, dear students, what happens? See, this is the colorful lemon volcanoes. Can you see this? Here also, dear students, what happened? The acid and the base reacts, and again the carbon dioxide gas is formed. So this is the colorful lemon volcano. So you can also do this experiment. You can use as many colors as you can, and you can enjoy these lemon activities at home, and you can make your own lemon volcanoes. So dear students, I hope you all liked it and you all enjoyed it. So again, what you have to do, make a small video clip of your experiment and send it to me. You can click the pictures of your colorful rainbow lemon volcanoes, and you can send these pictures also to me. So this is for all today. I hope you all enjoyed today's experiments, and dear students, tomorrow we are going to have a fun with other science experiments. So you know what we are going to do tomorrow? Any guesses? Yes or no? So tomorrow we are going to have some fun with balloons. I hope you all like balloons and you all like to play with balloons. Yes or no? Yes. So dear students, be ready to have some fun with some balloon activities tomorrow. Till then, see you all. Stay healthy, stay fit, keep smiling, enjoy your day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.